Today we will be seeing the format for school magazines. Okay, as you can see in the slide, in the previous class we have seen the format for newspapers and magazines. Today we will see the format for school magazines. Now here the format remains the same for both, okay, for newspapers and magazines, and also for school magazines the format remain the same. We have five part of the format is divided into five. That is number 1 heading, number 2 byline, number 3 introductory paragraph, number 4 body, and number 5 conclusion. It will remain the same, you don't have to get confused, but the only thing that is different, the only thing that differs, the only thing that this article for school magazines it differs from the article for newspaper is that in number 2, okay, you pay attention over here. In number 2, you know what's the meaning of what is the meaning of byline now, right? Byline means the name of the writer. So if we are writing an article for school magazine, then we need to mention the class and section along with the writer's name, which means if the writer is a student, because we are going to write an article for school magazine, right? So naturally the writer would be a student, so we have in the byline we have to mention the class and section along with the writer's name, whereas in newspapers we usually don't mention the class and section, we just mention the name, right? Okay, so let us look in detail the format, okay, the format of writing an article. So article writing format. So let's see what is a title. I've already explained to you, but again I'm reading it out again, okay? Number 1, title. Always begin the article with a title or heading. It should be an eye-catching but short, consisting of not more than 4 to 5 words. In short, it should arouse the interest of the reader, and he or she should come to know what the article is about after reading the title, so that he may be mentally prepared for the topic. 2. Byline. Write the byline, that is the name of the person who has written the article. This name is generally given in the question, and if there is no name mentioned in the question, then you can use a fake name, and it can be written just below the heading, okay? Number 3, introduction. Try to begin the article with a proverb or quote which catches the attention of the reader. The proverb or quotation must be in accordance with the title of the article. So whatever proverb or quotation you are using, it should be related with the topic of your article. Try to introduce the topic while keeping in mind what, where, and when related with the topic. For example, if you are writing on, supposedly you got a topic to write on natural disaster, okay, so you can start in this way. You should write first of all you have to explain what are natural disasters in the introductory passage. Is it clear? Body. The body of the article includes the details of the reason, the advantages, its disadvantages, effects, etc. can be mentioned in the body of the article in different paragraphs, okay, in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Now the last one, conclusion. This paragraph concludes the article giving possible solutions, hopes, and wishes. So this is the format of the article. Now in the next slide I will be providing you with a sample, okay, I will be providing you with a sample of article writing. so that you will have a clear picture of how to write an article.